Maxim 27. If every night were to be the night Qadr, the night of Qadr would be without Qadr. Now, it's apparent that it's one of the last 10 nights of Ramadan, the 9th month. Some Ramadans have 30 nights and days. Other Ramadans have 29. So you want to be, and the best 10 nights of the year, you're going to automatically catch one of the best 10 nights of the year. So what if the 30th is only observed in your area and it wasn't it? That's fine. There's great reward in that. But you don't want to miss it by skipping the 20th and the 30th when they occur, because you're like, oh, only, the 21st to the 29th are the ones that we're sure of. Yeah, drop off that stuff. And if you catch all the days, it's always going to be the thing. Now, every other night was the thing if you can't catch it all. If you can't do extra in each of those nights. If not, something in between and all that. If all the stones were rubies of Badakhshan, the price of rubies out of stones would be the same. See, and that's the thing. Sacred times and sacred places are, you merge your practice outside of that, but they're set apart, and even the experience of that. So the experience and the value that you put on things is as such. Like people that, you don't see them except for Ramadan. You don't see any sign of them having religion except for Ramadan, but for Ramadan. In the Shia community, maybe the Ashura or the days around Ashura or Arba'in or something like that, which is not, it's not an Islamic observance, but it's done by Muslims, you could say. So it contains elements. It's kind of like the whole Sufi thing. Some of the Sufis are Muslim, some of them are not. A lot higher percentage of Sufis aren't Muslim as compared to Shia, but not all the practices are acceptable to the A'imma. It's something that they put upon it, but that's not quite the right way to put it. But anyways, religion is a whole thing. But there's certain times and places where you just do more or do differently. Was really my point. And the sacred calendar is where I address that sort of thing more.